What's up, guys? Welcome back. Road to the 2 Comma Club, and it is December 19th right now. It is Tuesday, and the market, as Mr. Joseph predicted, damn you for being right. He's one of the guys that subscribes to our channel, and if you go to the comments, you'll see him a lot. So shout out to him for being involved with the channel. Thank you guys, or thank you so much. But yeah, he predicted the stock market would go down today, and it is, but we're not doing that bad. The NASDAQ is down 33 points. I'll post a screenshot. The Dow is down 21 points, but we're only down like maybe 4 grand right now, so it could be worse. Definitely could be worse. So let's just see how we're doing real quick. So yeah, we're down to 188, and we do have a couple performers that are helping us though. Universal Display is up 630 bucks, and tied for the lead is Home Depot. So I'm really glad, as you saw in the screenshot, I'm really glad we have Home Depot because they're not a tech stock, so they usually they don't go down when tech stocks go down. They usually kind of hold their own or do their own thing. So it's kind of nice to have that diversification in there. And I have quite a bit of money invested in them actually, so that's I'm happy about that. I was actually thinking when I saw that, I wish I had more money in them, but I'm comfortable with that. Anyways, Apple was downgraded, so that is one of the main reasons why they're down. I read an article that said that it was mostly because they think the iPhone 10 has already been priced in, blah, blah, blah. And I still think, maybe, even if that's true, I still think if the tax bill passes, I think they'll benefit a lot from that, and I think their stock could go up. So I'm not too worried about that. I'm not going to worry about it right now. At the watch list, though, RIOT blockchain is up again, huge. And sadly, our call is not up today, though. It is down just like a hair. Let me try to find it. Oh, it just went down. Oh, crap. It just bumped down like 5 seconds ago. It just went down half price. Oh, my gosh. That sucks. That was a risky move. I knew I was taking a big risk with that. It's pretty much even from when we bought it, so yeah, I can't complain. So we're gonna come back and check on the market when it closes. What's up, guys? So it is about 8 o'clock p.m. I gotta get some dinner ready, but we lost money today, but we lost like 6 grand. Let me show you how we did. Just let me show you real quick here. So we lost about 6 grand. I'm not too mad about that because we did have some performers that did pretty well. So like, I'm not mad at this at all. We had Analog Devices, Albemarle, Intel, and STM did really well. I'm really happy about that. And the Universal Display and Home Depot did well. So the ones that really killed us today were RIOT, which was dropped even more, even though they still went up for the day. So I need to do some research on the Greeks. I think there was some maybe Vega or something that I was reading a comment that Robert wrote, so shout out to him on another video. I think I must have got in at a weird price because even though RIOT went up and I'm in the money still, its price is lower than when I bought it. So, and I don't think I was even in the money when I bought it. So it's something I'm learning. And again, I didn't put a lot of money in it because it's a blockchain stock. I'm not too knowledgeable about it yet, and that's why I didn't put too much money in. I only bought 2 calls. And so this is a lesson that I'm willing to pay for because I think it's going to make me a smarter trader. And hopefully I won't mess up like this in the future. So I'm going to do some research and see what happened. And when I do figure that out, I will get back to you guys. But yeah, you can see RIOT was the top performer. It could have just been, they were up a lot more, like 15%. And since they came back, I'm thinking maybe like volatility, like when, I don't know. I feel like the volatility wouldn't have gone up with all that movement, but I'm not sure. So I got to do some research. But yeah, I'm going to go to a screen recording from, actually maybe I'll just finish here. Sorry, I'm holding the phone with my left hand, but I usually would use a screen recorder for this. So here is, Micron. We're going to talk about Micron. And I'm going to talk about some Bitcoin stuff. So yeah, there are the pages there. Overall, not a great day. Let me hit the, or actually you can see here, the NASDAQ went down 30 points. The Dow Jones went down. So anyways, let's get into some more exciting news. I finally opened up my GDAX account. And I don't really know what the partially degraded service means up at the corner there. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna look that up, get used to this interface, but I heard you can transfer, actually I read from the website, you can transfer from Coinbase to here, no problem, and then you can transfer from GDAX to your actual hardware wallet, so you can transfer to your hardware wallet with a lot less fees than you would if you're doing Coinbase. So that's why I set that up. I had to upload a picture of my driver's license, but I talked to some friends who use GDAX, and one of my friends said that he did that, and it's pretty much standard procedure for any of the major exchanges. And so I'm not worried about that. Hopefully everything's going to be okay. But exciting news: Micron beat revenue, beat estimates on the memory chip boom. So I read an article. Their net income rose 2.868 billion on 2.19 per or $2.19 per share on their first quarter ending November 30th, up from 180 million. So from 180 million to 2.68 billion. That's like redonkulous how big that jump is, or 16 cents per share a year earlier. The net sales rose 71% to 6.8 billion, beating the analyst estimation of 6.41 billion. Their expected adjusted revenue of 6.8 billion to 7.2 billion, and an adjusted profit of $2.51 per share to $2.65 per share for the current quarter, which the analysts on average were expecting a revenue of 6.19 billion and an adjusted profit of $2.03 per share. So overall, they did really well. Their shares are currently up 4% after hour trading, but anything can happen between now and tomorrow. But I'm hoping tomorrow will be a good day for Micron. I think we do have 5 calls for them, so hopefully there'll be a little bit of a mini rally with at least in that sector tomorrow. And the vote still hasn't happened yet for the tax bill, so we're still waiting on that. But I was expecting today to be a lot worse, to be honest. So I'm happy that we still, we didn't lose all the money we made yesterday, so I'm really happy about that. So with that said, I'm gonna get some money transferred to my hardware wallet finally for the first time, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. So I am diversifying, obviously. As you notice, I'm getting more into the cryptocurrency space, so I'm diversifying from stocks into this. I do like the fact that I'm doing that because it's like another asset class that I can invest in, that it's not all just stocks. I think it's going to help us make some more money in the future. So if you have any questions about my experience so far, please comment in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow.